humanity. And all he wants is to destroy it. Sheathe your blade, Guardian. You're done cleaning up the Order's mess. You've changed the Order forever. No matter how many other Praxics pick up our banner, a new fire has been lit. Before all of this, I thought I knew everything I needed to know about the darkness. But blind faith always hurts the believer in time. Thank you for helping me see that, Guardian.